Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're going to do a quick video from some items picked up at Lowe's. We got some rose trees as well as some fertilizer. And a shout out to my wife's channel. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So picked up some items from Lowe's when I picked up a couple DeWalt 12 volt extreme tools. Ended up going to Buckeye and picked up an order that I ordered online, and while we were there decided to cruise around and ended up buying a couple other tools, and then ended up buying some stuff for the garden for my wife. Leave a card up here for my wife's channel. You guys go check her out. She does a lot of gardening and makeup and all kinds of other stuff, including food videos, stuff like that. So the stuff that we picked up, this Jobay's Organics vegetable and tomato, which is a 6-pound bag. Exactly 6-pound bag, as well as this brand, which is Gro-Well Proven Organics. This bag contains the #1 organic fertilizer used on organic product farms. Tomato and vegetable also, but they're different. This Job's Organics is 253, and this guy right here from Gro-Well is 851. This is a 4-pound bag, which is nitrogen, 8% nitrogen, 5% phosphate, 1% potash, and this has 5% calcium in it. And this one is a little different as well. This one is 2% nitrogen, 0.8% water-soluble nitrogen, 1.2% water-insoluble nitrogen. Phosphate is 5%, potash is 7%. Phosphate's 5%, potash is 3%, which is the 253. This also has 7% calcium, 0.5% magnesium, 0.15% water-soluble magnesium, and it has 1.4% sulfur and 1.4% combined sulfur. So this has a lot more in it. And then picked up another Jobay's Organics. This is Rose and Flowers. And this one is 343, which is 3% nitrogen, 4% phosphate, and 3% potash. And this also has 1.1% water-soluble nitrogen and 1.9% water-insoluble nitrogen. Soluble potash, 3%, calcium is 9%, magnesium is 0.5%, 0.15% is water-soluble magnesium, and it has 1% sulfur and 1% combined sulfur. So I picked up these 3 fertilizers. Figured give them a try. Maybe my wife will find something that she likes better. And picked up these rose trees, which these are, they say PlayBoy on them. So it says PlayBoy Rose, full sun, beautiful floral display. They were $37.98 a piece. It says water, keep moist first year, 2 times per week after. Average mature size, 3 to 4 feet in height, 2 to 3 feet wide. Spacing 2 to 3 feet. Cold hardness 0 to -10 Fahrenheit. Non-hardy in zones 1 to 5. So this is a zone 6 to a zone 9B is what it could work in. Fertilizer spring and summer. Attention, check for bee hazard warnings, pollinator precautions on pesticide labels before application. For more information, it says you can text 1.11542 to this specific 75268 number. Dig hole 2 times the width of pot. Plant 1 inch above ground level. But picked up 2 of them, and I picked them up because it figured, you know, would pair them. Originally, we were going to put them on either side of the gate, but thinking that these roses might get burnt and might possibly die being in the sun that long, especially it's getting to the time where it's summer. There's a lot of buds on these. When we transported them, they're close to about 3.5 or so feet, but had to lay them down in the Forerunner slightly, so we lost a couple of the pink petals on a couple of the flowers, but otherwise they're doing okay. And they've been sitting outside in wind for most of the day, and they seem to be holding up, even though they got tipped over once, I believe. This one has a lot more buds on it, so here's one of the ones that's missing the flower. But a lot of these buds were not here when we picked them up. This one only had this one where the flower is missing. The rest of these buds just recently opened. Thought they were pretty, you know, with the pink and white, and a lot of them are orange and white, orange, yellow, and cream colored and white. Get you guys a close up. A couple of them. I will link a card up here for a couple of my wife's gardening videos, as well as probably like a garden tour or something like that. The light kind of died on the... There you go. Try to show some of these before the light dies again. A little more true on color by doing it this way. They're very pretty for roses. These are not the traditional style rose that has like 30 or 40 petals that you would get for Valentine's Day or anything like that. But they are pretty. Figured I'd show them to you guys. Some of them are like a peachy color. Some of them are more pink and yellow. Some of them are more red with orange in them. So this one's kind of, you know, the camera doesn't do it justice. This one is actually more like a burnt orange look. But figured I'd just show them to you guys. Just a quick video, some items that were picked up. These are all the 12 volt extreme tools that were picked up, as well as some charging batteries right now. Here's all the batteries for the 12 volt stuff. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. I'll leave the cards up here for you guys if you guys want to go check out her channel. If you guys have any questions about these products, you're more than welcome to go to my wife's channel and particularly ask about these items. I'm sure she'll do a video about these exact items as well. If you do leave comments on my channel, I'll do my best to answer them. My wife knows more about the gardening and the fertilizer and everything. I do have, because you guys have been so great watching the videos and using the affiliate links and everything, the channel is now supporting items that are being bought for the channel. So now I picked up a couple Milwaukee M18 fuel switch tanks, and the channel paid for them. So they will be coming to the channel, which is one of the goals that I had for the channel, was that the channel would pay for the tools that I bring onto the channel, which is nice, and I have that to thank for you guys doing it. Appreciate you guys watching and subscribing and commenting and using the affiliate links. So keep it up if you guys can. Please like, comment, subscribe as always. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates like these kinds of videos, the tool videos, electronic videos, automotive videos, and anything else that I may possibly just randomly drop onto the channel. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Also, check out the Ulsa Tools link I have down below. That will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order from ulsatools.com. All the affiliate links are commission links. I do get a commission off any link that you guys use for Amazon and Acme Tools and Ohio Power Tools and DJI Electronics and those links. If you guys do use them, I do very much appreciate it. It does help the channel, does help me bring tools and stuff to the channel for you guys. And I do still want to thank you guys again for utilizing the channel, watching it, and helping me bring tools to the channel, because now the channel's paying for it. So the other one quick thing before we go, these Jobe Organics, it actually says made in USA on them. So got a couple actual made in the USA products for you guys. I do appreciate you guys watching as always. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hope to see you guys on the next video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!